Hi, I want to talk to you about all the room that this boat affords you. As you can see, everybody's swimming, lots of room around here, everybody's comfortable. When you swing around, the seating is fantastic in this boat. Most people, when they've been with us, comment regularly on how they love the curve in the corner. So when you're sitting here, you feel totally protected and secure. In rough water, that's important. There's lots of room throughout the cockpit. Jodie will talk to you about the actual elements of the cockpit. I'm going to talk to you about comfort. This is my favorite part of the boat. I love the bow on the Campion. We must have compared about 20 different manufacturers to find a bow that I could sit in and stretch my legs out. I'm 5'7", and I don't know how men get in the bow of other boats. They're just so cramped and so tight. The other important thing is the backrest and the angle that this is on. Whenever you go looking for a boat, make sure you sit in it, because we found that a lot of boats have a ridge here that absolutely kills your back. When I'm sitting in this, I am deep down in the boat. Some boats, you will only be down about this far. When you're in rough water, you're on top of the boat, and it just doesn't feel as secure as this, where I have the boat right up to the level of my shoulders. I have really safe grab bars, and now my favorite part in the whole boat, which we don't have the pad with us. This ridge that goes around the bottom here means that it fits a bow filling cushion. That bow filling cushion for us is at the cottage, but it makes all of this usable space, and it's the most fun place to go for a boat ride.
So I'm back inside the cockpit now, and I just want to go over a couple of features that are really appeal to me as the captain of the ship most days. As Joey mentioned earlier, it's very deep hulled and quite secure. And you can see I'm 5'4", and the sidewalls come up to my waist. So when you have children or pets in the boat, or elderly people out for a ride, it's really safe and secure. And it just has all the comfort you could want. This particular chair spins right around to face backwards, so if you're taking your kids tubing, or if someone's wakeboarding or surfing, you can watch them at all times. The captain's chair does that as well, so if you're anchored out and you want to have a picnic, you can spin both chairs, you can put your feet up if you're on your own, and everybody's got lots of comfort to hang out in. Both these chairs also come with what's called the bolster flip up. And so you can sit up, and for someone who's short in the torso like me, you always have a good view of what's coming out in front of you on the lake, whether it be someone else tubing, skiing, another boat coming, so that it's really safe that way if you're a woman and you're a little bit shorter, as I am. Also, I love the storage in this boat. It flips out and provides a little onboard cooler. The cooler also lifts in and out, so for any cans of pop or any picnic items that you want to take. Each seat also has a flip out and storage. Sorry, they're not clean. We didn't know we were going to do this today. And that goes for both sides. And we have some safety equipment that we keep on board there. And it's very easy. When you have a boat with an inboard, you have to check your oil frequently, and you also should check your stern drive and your drive oil. So they're all right here, right up front. You don't have to know a lot of things to do it, but it just allows you easy access, and you don't need to have a husband or a mechanic every day to have fun with your boat.